The Douglasville City Council has voted to reopen the Bright Star Road Connector, which we believe will alleviate traffic congestion in the area of Douglas Boulevard, Interstate 20, Highway 5, and Rose Avenue. Now, the connector actually will not reopen until the Georgia Department of Transportation has reconfigured the traffic signal where it's doing the construction work at Highway 5. But we're looking forward to this road being reopened. We had, of course, initially opened the road on June the 2nd. The county government had closed it the next day, saying the road was unsafe. Rather than challenging that, we tried to work with the county government, and we did, over a period of weeks, seek several solutions. However, the county wanted to provide directions to the city for what it wanted us to do, but frankly was not willing to pay half of the cost, which we thought was reasonable. So we've now decided, through the action of the City Council, to go ahead and reopen this road. The county had said that the intersection was unsafe, but the engineering firm which designed the road for the City of Douglasville says that the connector itself and the intersection of the connector with Bright Star Road does meet safety standards. We would, as with anything that's new, say to the driving public to be careful as you drive this road until you get familiar with it, observing all traffic signals, signs, including speed limits. But we feel like that the opening of the Bright Star Road Connector will certainly be good for traffic movement in the area around Rose Avenue and Highway 5, I-20, where we've had a lot of problems. And of course, the Bright Star Road Connector is something that the City of Douglasville built using only city funds. There's no money from Douglas County, the state of Georgia, the federal government involved in this project. I would say to the traveling public that while we hope the road will be open soon, we urge you on this road, as with any road, until you get familiar with it, to be careful. Observe speed limits, of course, always. But we believe this will be good for the driving public. We believe it will alleviate traffic. And we are looking forward to having this road open. And we believe you will find it to be of benefit to you in getting from place to place. This is Bill Osmond, City Manager on City TV.